Ever wondered how vital water conservation is to your garden? Water scarcity is a global issue that impacts everything, including gardening. By conserving water in our gardens, we're not just nurturing our plants, but also contributing to a sustainable environment. This approach benefits us and paves the way for a greener future for our children. Making our gardens water efficient is a significant step towards preserving this precious resource. So how can we make our gardens more water efficient? Let's dive into that. Have you heard about drought-tolerant plants? They are remarkable species that have adapted to thrive in arid conditions. These champions of the plant world have developed unique features, like deep roots or waxy leaves, to conserve water. Some familiar faces in this category include lavender, sage, and the ever-popular succulents. Adding these plants to your garden can significantly reduce your water usage. But that's not all. There's more you can do. Did you know there are techniques to make your gardening more water-wise? Water-wise gardening is all about smart and sustainable use of water. Start by mulching your garden. It keeps the soil moist and reduces evaporation. Try to group plants with similar water needs together. This way, you're not over or underwatering any plants. And here's a tip. Water your plants during the coolest part of the day to minimize evaporation. Implementing these techniques can make a huge difference in your garden's water consumption. Ready to make a change and help conserve water in your garden? Imagine the positive impact you could contribute to the environment by adopting water-wise techniques and using drought-tolerant plants. Your garden would not only thrive, but also become a symbol of sustainability. It's time to take a step towards creating a greener world, starting right in your backyard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Remember, every drop of water saved counts.